Introducing the Grade & Go Road and Driveway Grading Machine. Grade & Go transforms roads riddled with potholes, washboards, and ruts, and makes them look new again. The Grade & Go is a completely self-contained towable ripping and grading machine designed to maintain nearly any road or driveway with 1 inch or smaller aggregate. Grade & Go can be operated behind any standard 4-wheel drive 3/4 ton truck, and its purpose-built design allows it to be safely towed down the highway and switched from highway to grading mode in less than 2 minutes. Simply turn the unit on, disengage the safety latching system, and operate using the wireless remote from the comfort of your cab. The 84 square foot grading plane and triple blade system has been purposefully engineered to efficiently remove washboards, potholes, and ruts by ripping, cutting, and reshaping the existing surface back to like new conditions. Ripping teeth can be hydraulically engaged when needed to loosen severely potholed surfaces. The wirelessly controlled hydraulic system raises, lowers, and adjusts the triple blade grading system and operates a self-regulating float mode, allowing even the first-time user to achieve professional results. Compared to traditional graders that leave berms of material on each side, the Grade & Go has been meticulously designed so that all grading occurs within the side rails of the grader, eliminating costly handwork to finish the job. The operator can use the multi-cylinder hydraulic system to raise the front and lower the rear onto the trailing wheels to feather the remaining gravel for a smooth, professional finish. We mounted a camera in the cab of a truck and drove this driveway before and after grading. All of the potholes that created a bumpy ride are completely eliminated after just a few passes with the Grade & Go system. Grade & Go was designed to be a low-cost turnkey business that offers the ability to realize a high return on investment, while offering very competitive pricing to your customers when compared to traditional road grading services. Whether you're a rental company, municipality, property owner, or looking to start your own business, Grade & Go's unique design brings affordable road grading to an underserved market of road systems across the U.S. Contact us today to see if Grade & Go is right for you. Grade & Go.